Inevitably, when you've got an old frame and it's had lots of tack holes in it, you're going to get bits missing. It's going to have chunks knocked out of it. You can't help it sometimes, but if I just put my top cover around that missing wood there, you would really spoil the bottom line of your chair. So at the Calico stage, what you can do is get a piece of card, old business card or whatever, and pop it over the edge of the frame like that. When you tighten your Calico over, you've now got a really nice smooth edge once again. Your skin wadding will come over there and soften it away from your top cover. It's a good little trick.